Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Building a successful online store with a Shopify AI website builder involves using its native AI tools like Shopify Magic and Shopify Sidekick to automate content creation and design. So, here's a full step-by-step guide to launch your online store the smart way. Let's start with this first step, which is to define your store strategy. Before using any AI tool, clarity is key. The AI will use your input to generate the store, so be specific about your vision. First, in here, define your niche and goals. So, what exactly are you selling and to whom? Also, create a brand brief. Determine your brand identity, including the desired tone, e.g., friendly, primary color palette, and overall style. Step 2 is to choose your AI approach and set up your account. You have two main paths to leverage AI for your store. The first path or approach is all-in-one AI builder, which is actually the fastest. This is best for beginners, rapid prototyping, and simple stores. The description for this is that use Shopify's native AI to generate an entire storefront layout and content from a single text prompt. We also have the second approach, which is manual build with AI assistance. This is best for unique brand identities, complex stores, and high control. So start with a standard theme and use Shopify Magic for specific content tasks, that is either descriptions, emails, and blog posts. So you can do this by going to Shopify website here in your favorite web browser or using the Shopify app and sign up for a free trial to create your account. Step 3 is to now generate your store theme with AI. This is where the AI kicks off the initial design for you. You can do that by first navigating to themes. From your Shopify admin here, click on Online Store at the left side and then press on Themes. Start with AI Builder. Scroll down and look for an option like Design Your Store in Seconds, or click to explore themes and find the AI generation prompt. Go ahead and now write your prompt. Enter a short descriptive paragraph about your business using the brand brief from the first step we saw. An example of a prompt is this: an online store selling minimalist, eco-friendly home goods made from sustainable materials. The brand voice is calm, modern, and trustworthy. Also, go ahead and now generate and select. Shopify will generate a few custom theme options, e.g., 3 layouts, complete with color palettes, layouts, and demo content tailored to your niche. Once done, publish. Preview the designs, click try theme on your favorite, and then click publish to make it your store's live design. Now let's get to the fourth step, which is to customize and refine the AI generated design. The AI generated design is a first draft. You must now make it uniquely yours. Open the editor. In the themes section, click customize to open the drag and drop editor. Also tweak the design now. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout in the theme settings to match your brand. And then replace content. You can replace images or text, where you can edit the AI generated text to ensure it perfectly reflects your brand's unique personality and tone. Step 5 is to add products and use AI for content generation. Leverage Shopify Magic here. Shopify's suite of native AI tools, so you can use it to create compelling product descriptions quickly. You can go ahead and start by adding a product. Go to products here and then click on add product. Now generate a description. In the description field, click the AI icon, which is the generate text. You can go ahead and now provide context. Input your product's key features and keywords. Keep or regenerate. Click generate. You can regenerate the text multiple times, adjust the tone, or refine your prompt until you have the perfect copy. Then go ahead and now press on keep to add it to your product. Complete product details. You can add your product images, pricing, inventory details, and variants. We also have SEO optimization. Use AI to generate SEO-friendly meta titles and descriptions in the search engine listing section to help customers find your products on Google. Let's get to now step 6, which is to finalize the setup and launch your store. Complete the essential back-end setup to start accepting orders. You can do that by setting up payments. In your admin here, go ahead and now press on settings here at the bottom left corner and then click on payments to activate Shopify payments and or connect other gateways like this PayPal. Also configure shipping. Go to settings in here again and then press on this shipping and delivery to set up your shipping rates, zones, and delivery times. You can now go ahead and finally review and test. You can place a test order to ensure the checkout and payment process is flawless. Also, check your Shopify store's appearance on both desktop and mobile devices. Another key thing you need to do is to ensure that all links and navigation menus are working correctly. You can also use Shopify Sidekick, that is AI assistant. You can use the Shopify Sidekick chat assistant for real-time help with tasks like how do I add a discount code? And then finally, you need to launch. Once everything is complete, go to online store here and then press on preferences. And then you can now remove the password here, protection, to make your store go live. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.